how to buy notes at a discount. This is another kind of business. You can create notes, you can sell notes, you can sell partials. We talked about all this, but let's say I have a note, somebody's paying me monthly, and they may have, I don't know, 10 more years on this note, and you kind of estimate what is going to be the value of this property, but it's harder to estimate it for me and going forward. I'm looking at the payments. How many payments are left? How many payments are left? How much is the monthly payment? And let's say that this note was for 100,000, and people were getting 7% interest rate, $500 payment a month. And let's say there's still, I don't know, 20 years left on this loan or left on this. So my thing is, I want to make 20% on this note a year. You have to be able to buy this note on discount. You're not going to give the people the balance of this note because, number one, the interest rate is probably not what you want to make, right? Remember how we learned about adding, you can lend people money and you want an annual percentage rate. But sometimes if that's too high, it can kill the deal. So the way we did it is we added more on top of the loan of the actual than what you lend to kind of finance the interest. So on this instance, we're going to figure out if there's a loan out there, monthly payments $500 a month, there's still 20 years left. How much do I have to buy this loan for to make 20% a year?